Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study anatomy and physiology the easy way. Begin by grasping the core principles of each system before diving into specific names and structures. This approach builds a strong knowledge base. Next, divide large topics, such as the cardiovascular system, into smaller, more digestible sections. Finally, make extensive use of visual resources like anatomical charts, flashcards, and interactive 3D models to see how everything fits together. Active learning is crucial for retaining information. Instead of just reading, try drawing and labeling anatomical structures yourself. This reinforces your understanding and highlights areas needing more review. Explaining concepts to a friend or even just speaking them aloud helps solidify your knowledge and identify any gaps. Additionally, make your own flashcards for important terms, functions, and processes. Review them daily for about 15 minutes. To boost your memory, create mnemonics and acronyms for complex lists, like the cranial nerves or bone names. These simple tricks can significantly improve recall. Consistent, spaced repetition is also vital. Don't wait until the last minute to review. Schedule short, frequent review sessions to keep the material fresh. Always try to link new information to concepts you've already mastered, building a comprehensive mental framework. For deeper understanding, consider the clinical relevance of what you're learning. How do these systems function in health and disease? This perspective makes the material more engaging and memorable. Joining a study group can also be incredibly beneficial, allowing you to discuss difficult concepts and learn from peers. Remember to stay hydrated throughout your study sessions. It's essential for maintaining focus and cognitive function. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.